Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you make videos louder while on FaceTime iPhone. So guys, to make videos louder while on FaceTime iPhone, at first just go to your FaceTime video call. So guys, the easiest way to increase volume on FaceTime is the physical buttons. So just click on the buttons and just increase the volume like this. You can also swipe down from the top and you can just check for the volume here if the volume is increased or not. While video call, if you want to make it more louder, you can just turn on the speaker. You can also go to your settings and click on sound and haptics. Now you can just check for your sound level if it is on high or low. So guys, these are the way you can make videos louder while on FaceTime iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you very much for watching the video.